Aptas. Reach Ayurveda to age. My Love for Charaka, the first ever national level video contest on behalf of Charaka Jayanti 2020. Presented by Team Aptas.
Hello everyone, I want to put forth my love towards the Charaka with few words in front of you. The base of Charaka Samhita is a Sutrastan, which is considered as series of Shastra and divided into 7 Chatuska and 2 Sangraha Adhyaya. In the Chikitsa for Swasthartha, Rasayana and Vajikarana Adhyaya are described initially. So the continuity of the Adhyaya is mentioned through the Samhita, which is easy to remember and also create an interest in reading the Samhita. 8 asthana 120 adhyayas in the Chatuska methodology. It is the special description so easily to find out the topics dealt with as it is described for Trivida Shishya Buddhi Hita. Even though Chatuska also found in the Chikitsa first 2 adhyaya but called as Pada. The base of whole Samhita is on Trisutra, Hetu, Linga, Aushadha for both Swastha and Atura. Throughout the Samhita, where and all 3 requirements to make the understanding to Alpa Buddhi, given important for the Adhyaya by quoting the Chaturvida Purushartha, that is Dharmartma Kama Moksha Nama Arogya Mulamutamam Rogatasya Pahatira Shesho Jivitasya. In Nidana, 8 adhyayas are described with the respect of a particular dosha. It is quoted in Vimana Dosha Vikalpa, that is Dashavida Atura Pariksha, which create a interest for reading the Charaka Samhita. Prakriti Pariksha is elaborately described, which we will not found in the other Samhita. If you read the Charaka, it's create interest in continuing by its way of narration. As per my view, the Tantra Guna, which is described, is all applied to this Samhita and considering the best amongst the all Samhita. Relevance of Charaka Samhita. If you see the present scenario of COVID-19, what the preventive measures media highlighting or the doctors are telling or giving important for the prevention is told in the Charaka beforely only, that is in the Janapada Udvansa, that is for Shastra Shastra Rakshanam or prevention from acquiring the diseases by mentioning the Sadvruta, Dinacharya and social distance is described in the Charaka Vimanistan 3rd chapter, that is Janapadodhvansa Vimani Adhyaya. One should avoid Vikruti, Jala, Vayu, Desha and Bhumi. That is only nowadays we are considering as a social distancing. Explain the endemic disease in the Charaka Samhita prevention only. Thank you.
Subscribe and share this video to all and join hands with us to reach Ayurveda to age.